Hey kitchen enthusiasts, today I'm absolutely blown away by the Instant Pot Pro 8 QT10 in 1 pressure cooker currently priced at $149.99 with an incredible 25% savings from the original $199.99. This powerhouse is earning serious love with 4.6 out of 5 stars from 12,219 customer reviews and has rightfully earned Amazon's Choice designation. What immediately sets this Pro model apart is the 10 versatile cooking functions including pressure cooking, slow cooking, sous vide, saute, sterilizing, yogurt making, rice cooking, baking, steaming, and warming, basically replacing an entire kitchen cabinet worth of appliances. The 8-quart capacity is perfect for families or meal prep enthusiasts, easily handling up to 8 servings, and the 1400 watts of power ensures 20% faster preheating and up to 70% faster cooking compared to traditional slow cooking methods. Customer feedback consistently highlights the convenient steam release system with its gentle steam release switch and diffusing cover that makes pressure release quiet and controlled. No more scary hissing sounds that intimidate beginners. Users rave about the 28 one-touch smart programs that tackle every recipe imaginable, from hearty stews to delicate yogurt. The pro-grade stainless steel construction with dishwasher-safe components makes cleanup genuinely effortless. However, some users mention the learning curve can be steep for pressure cooking newbies, and the 8-quart size might be overkill for smaller households. It does take up significant counter space at 14.37 x 13.9 x 14.17. A few customers noted that while the app with 800+ recipes is helpful, the interface could be more intuitive. Overall, though, this is a seriously impressive upgrade from basic pressure cookers, and at this sale price, it's delivering exceptional value for anyone serious about versatile, fast cooking.